here, design team member for Stamp Anything. Welcome to day 2 of the November release previews. In today's video, I'm introducing you to You Are So Charming. We can't have Snow White and not have the prince, right? He is so dapper. I love how Anne illustrated this one. So cute. So if you missed yesterday, I mentioned all about Stamp Club, etc. We also have a stencil club where you get exclusive stencils every month. What else do I need to tell you? I don't know. We're going to head over to the craft table. I'm going to share with you this little chibi character and all the design team samples. So yeah, if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and let's head over to the craft table and we'll get started. Friends, it's day 2 and we can't have Snow White without her Prince Charming. So this is Prince You Are So Charming. And I love his little hat. Like I know that there's another name for it, but it escapes me. But I actually love him. And wouldn't he be fun as like Robin Hood or something? I know there's the Disney version with the pointy hat, but I really think he can be used for a bunch of different things. And if Anne did Cinderella, then we wouldn't need another prince because we already have one. Anywho, you guys, I'm going to make it so. I'm going to make it happen. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also, be sure to check out our guest designers for this month, Lauren and B. All of their information is over in the Facebook group, which is also the place that you're going to want to be. That's where you'll get information about Black Friday sales that are probably coming up soon. You'll get all sorts of inspiration, not only from the design team, but also from other Fannies as well. Don't forget to sign up for Stamp Club to get all or part of this month's release. There's also Stencil Club where you get 3 exclusive stencils every single month. If you missed it, there was the Misfits bundle, but I'm not sure if that's sold out just quite yet. Once that's gone, it's gone. So yeah, but that's it. Thank you so much for joining me today, friends. I really do appreciate you. Be sure to leave a comment saying hi, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 3. Bye for now.